Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Alle Yakhni or bottle gourd Yakhni. Yakhni is a mild yogurt based curry in Kashmiri cuisine. Yakhni is popularly a meat curry, but it's highly relished in veg varieties too. So let's get started. Moreover, you can check my Urdu and Kashmiri channel. I keep uploading videos there too. For making this yakhni, I have taken curd around 1 kg, oil 4 tablespoons, oil or bottle gourd around 1 kg. So I will show you the slices. I have taken two kinds of slices. One is longitudinal and this round ones. This was quite tender, so I have used these also. And these, preferably these slices are used, but I have used round one also because it was quite tender. So you can use the way you want. An onion, I have taken thinly sliced one. 2 teaspoons of dried crushed mint, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste, and then whole spices include green cardamoms, 6 to 7 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, black peppercorns 5 to 6, 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 cinnamon sticks. And additionally, I have taken a pinch of green cardamom, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of turmeric powder. These are optional, but they give a good taste. Important thing in yakhni is this curd yogurt should not curdle. So for that, I am adding a tablespoon of besan or gram flour, or you can use egg also. So though this is a veg variety, so I am using tablespoon of gram flour or besan. So you can see I'll whisk it properly. I'm adding a glass of water too here, and then I'll keep it on flame. So once we keep this curd on flame, so we have to keep it on high flame till it gets its first boil, and we have to keep it stirring. That's a very important tip, so that curd doesn't curdle. So we have to keep it stirring. So whether you use egg or besan, still you have to keep it stirring. And those things you can skip if your curd doesn't curdle. So I'm using to show you that if we add these things, then the curd doesn't curdle. So we have to keep it on high flame, stirring continuously till it gets its first boil. So here you can see it has started to boil. So at this stage you can stop stirring and you can keep it on low flame so that it thickens. And at this stage I'll be adding spices. So I'll be adding spices here that include cumin seed, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, and then I'll be using coriander powder, fennel seed powder, and dry ginger powder, and I'm using mint also here. I'm saving a little bit that we'll be using at the end. That gives a very good flavor. So I'll mix it and let it boil for some time. And now I have heated up the oil and I have added onions to it, and I'll fry them till they turn brown. Then we'll make paste out of them and we'll use them in yakhni. It gives a good flavor and it helps to thicken the yakhni. So once they're fried properly, here you can see they have turned brown. So at this stage I'll take them out from the oil and then I'll blend them to a paste. I'll let them cool down first. So we have to handle everything carefully. And then in the same oil I'll be adding al or bottle gourd. Here you can see. And we have to fry them. We don't have to over fry them, but we have to fry them on both the sides. So once they are fried properly, we'll take them out. So here you can see we have to fry them like this, and then I'll be frying the another batch. So here are the fried alle or bottle gourd, and the yakhni has been boiling. So I'll be adding first the paste of onions, fried onions, here you can see, and then I'll be adding a pinch of cinnamon powder, green cardamom powder, and turmeric that I have already showed you. These are optional, but they give a good flavor. And then I'll be adding fried bottle gourd, and then oil. So I've used the same oil in which I fried onions and alle or bottle gourd, so I'm using the same oil. And then I'll be adding the saved mint that I had saved earlier. It gives a very good flavor. Now I'll mix it. And I'm adding a glass of water. You can add if you have some stock, mutton, chicken stock. So this is a veg variety, so I have totally made it veg, so I'm not adding anything. And I'll be adding salt also here. You can adjust salt according to your taste. And additionally, I'm adding a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. This I have not shown you earlier. This is an optional, but it gives a very good flavor. Adding ghee to the gravies gives an extra aroma. So we will let it boil for some time till it thickens and it gets a proper taste. So after around 10 to 15 minutes of boiling, I'll check the softness of bottle gourd. So it's soft also. So at this stage you can adjust salt too, and I'll turn off the flame at this stage. So before serving, I will let it be like this for a few minutes. We serve it hot with rice. So here you can see after being still for a few minutes, this is the yakhni. So we'll serve it hot with rice. Give this yakhni a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.